Hey, Vsauce. Alex here.
Stop.
And today, I'm going to show you how to make an explosion in iMovie, which is is CGI based. It's So what you're gonna want to do is go to YouTube, and what I did is I typed in explosion with green. Oh no! Whoopsie! I don't want explosion. Oh no! Anyway, explosion with green screen. So.
Hello.
Okay, so we don't have to worry about this because we can crop this out in editing. So just take a screen recording of this, and if you don't know how to do it, open this application. This is QuickTime Player, and click File, and then it should say this should be an option. This is New Screen Recording, and then click New Screen Recording, and you can do that. And then what we're gonna want to do is just go to iMovie, so New Project, of course, and then make a video of you reacting to an explosion, as if you were reacting to an explosion. Beautiful acting. So now we're just gonna take this. And then we can just trim any unwanted material away. So just trim, 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 fin, bin.
Why not release the meme? Release the meme.
Trim. Alright, so once you got that done, I'm gonna drag it in here, and then just once the explosion ends, just split clip, and then you can delete the rest of that because we don't need it. And then we got most of it done, but there's still one thing. Trim. So yeah, now it looks like that. Oh yeah, two more things. I lied, sorry. So you're gonna want to crop this explosion so that none of these bulbs are showing, none of that stuff. So yeah, and then what you're gonna want to do is where it says add an overlay, it should say cutaway, and you're gonna want to have it set as green/blue screen. Then just cut some of that away so that the timing looks good. Today's video was sponsored by like this, and this should be what you have. So yeah, there you go. Now you know how to make and I quit.
Stop.